10, yes. 20, 30, 17, 30, 40, yes. 50, 17, 50, 17, 50, down to the river, 17, 50.
G'day, it's Matt Burdon from O'Connor Graney in Mount Gambier. Just got a report on our second store sale for December. Last week we sold our black cattle, and this week we split the sale and had our coloured portion of our run. Had a good yarding of heavy Hereford steers, and I thought they quoted around $4.10 to $4.30 on your heavier end. We had a nice run of little Hereford Whan steers, a few pens of them from 350 to 380 kilos, made $4.60 to $5.10. And your light Hereford steers, anything under sort of 300 kilos, was $5.80 to $6.20. We had a nice run of coloured heavy steers. Thought that job was around $4.10 to $4.30, pretty solid run. And your coloured Whan steers came back to sort of $5.20 to $5.50, which was a pretty good rate across the board. Anything under 200 kilos, once again, was making good money, from $5.40 to $5.80 on your coloured stuff.
Station by 22.50. I've got two fake 10 to split get 20. I've got 22.20 this side back here. It's 22.20. Starties out. All down at 22.
We didn't have a lot of Hereford heifers, but the heavy Hereford heifers were sort of making $4.10 to $4.20 a kilo. And the lighter weaner heifers, 300 kilos, were $4.30 to $4.60. We had 933 head overall, and it was pretty well supported. A lot of local buyers and a lot of cattle going back to the paddock, which is good to see. This is the end for the Mount Gambier sale for this year. Our first sale next year is on a Wednesday for our fat sale, the 4th of January, and our store sale will be the next Friday on the 6th of January. Thanks very much and have a good Christmas.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?